Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about the planets of our solar system by coloring them. Let's start with the Sun. This is the Sun. It gives us light and heat. Color it bright yellow and orange. This is Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Color it gray or light brown because it is dry and rocky. This is Venus, the hottest planet. Color it yellow or golden because it is covered with thick clouds. This is Earth, our home planet. Color it blue for the oceans, green for the land, and white for the clouds. This is Mars, also called the Red Planet. Color it red or orange red. This is Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system. Color it orange and brown with white stripes. This is Saturn, famous for its beautiful rings. Color the planet light yellow and make the rings gray or brown. This is Uranus, an icy planet that spins on its side. Color it light blue or aqua. This is Neptune, the farthest planet. Color it dark blue because it is cold and covered with ice. Great job! We colored all the planets of our solar system. Now you know their names, colors, and some fun facts. Which one is your favorite? If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning.